So in today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of a very sublime and mild flavor of potato pumpkin curry. Great for the days of fasting as it has no onion garlic. Very famous for its predominantly sweet and sour taste, and the best part is that it can be made in minutes. So stay tuned for this lovely recipe of pumpkin and potato curry. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you're new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this quick and yummy recipe. So for this recipe, I've heated a pan on medium high flame and 5 tablespoons of mustard oil goes in. Mustard oil gives that peculiar flavor, and wait till mustard oil starts to smoke. It's very important whenever you use mustard oil to avoid the pungency. We should wait till it starts to smoke, and then goes 2 dried red chili, 2 bay leaves and 2 green chili I have taken, that's finely chopped. And here it's a mix of 5 spices, whole spices. It's called typically panch phoron, very famous for its flavors and used as tempering. 1 teaspoon of that goes in. Wait till it crackles, and 2 inch ginger I have taken. I have grated it in the larger size of the grater, that goes in. So basically this tempering will provide all the required essence and smell for this curry. And once this ginger is nicely sauteed, it will take around 30 to 40 seconds. Puree of 2 large tomatoes goes in, and make sure you don't use any water to make the puree of these tomatoes. Saute this tomato puree for around 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, some dry spices I have taken: turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, some regular red chili powder, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, and pumpkin around 750 grams. A small pumpkin with a green color cover that I have taken. It's yum for this recipe. Make sure you take small pumpkin for this recipe. So once this tomato started to cook, tomato puree, I'll add all the dry spices here: coriander powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder. Everything goes here at this stage except the amchur powder and the garam masala powder. Give everything a mix, and gradually you will see the spices, the dry spices will start to release oil. After mixing with this tomato puree, it will take around 3 to 4 minutes max. And once this spice is nicely sauteed, I'll add pumpkin around 750 grams. This goes in. 2 large potatoes that are cut into small cubes, that goes in. And salt, of course, I have added according to taste. Actually, I'll add little more salt later, so you can adjust salt in the same way. Give it a mix, and it's very important we do this process now at high flame. After adding the vegetables, make sure you saute this for around 2 to 3 minutes on high flame, and we're not going to use any water for this recipe. Give it a mix for 2 to 3 minutes and then cover it on medium flame for around 6 to 7 minutes. And in 6 to 7 minutes, this vegetable will release its own moisture. You can see at the base of this pan, the liquid, it's the moisture of this vegetable. That's why there's no need to add any water for this recipe. As we had covered this for around 6 to 7 minutes, the potatoes and pumpkin are almost 50% done. You can see it from the look of these vegetables. And now it's time to add some spices. Black salt I'll add around half teaspoon. Remaining garam masala powder 1 teaspoon goes in. Jaggery powder 3 tablespoons. And to balance the sweetness of jaggery, here comes dry mango powder or amchur powder, that goes in around 1 tablespoon. So this creates the magic. The sweetness of jaggery, sourness of amchur powder and tanginess of black salt will create a nice magic. Give it a mix, and these vegetables, potatoes and pumpkins are already 60% done now. So now it's time to cook the rest part. Reduce the flame to lowest and cover it for more 5 to 6 minutes. That's it. And after 5 to 6 minutes, the vegetables have turned out to be perfect. It has softened, potatoes are done, pumpkins are done, and this liquid you are seeing, that's the amalgamation of jaggery and the moisture of these vegetables. It is looking so yummy, coated with the luscious flavor of all the spices, and this is what it looks like. That's why it's perfect for any gathering. In India, it's called bhandare wala aloo, so that's perfect. And finally, I have added some black salt. I thought it was required to balance it. Again, it depends upon your choice. Some green coriander leaves goes in. And now finally we'll just cover it for 2 minutes more after adding green coriander leaves. So here goes on the lid for 2 minutes on low flame, and after 2 minutes, this is what is the final look. Yummy. You can see how beautiful this curry has turned out. Semi thick, no onion garlic, perfect consistency, goes very well with puri or roti, or even with lunch you can prefer this. And now it's time to add the final touch, that's some dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. So this goes in around 1 teaspoon. This gives the typical bhandare wala flavor that's often made in gatherings or in pandals, puja pandals. So give it a mix, and a yummy and delicious perfect consistency pumpkin potato curry is ready. You can see how luscious it has become. Very nice smell with all the flavor goes into this pumpkin and potatoes. So now let's serve it, and as you can see the consistency of my curry, it's perfectly semi thick. This is what it should be, and in this recipe I have not added any extra water. All this moisture that is used to cook these vegetables are from the pumpkin and potatoes. So try this recipe, especially on the days when you are on fasting or want to prepare something exciting and new, and it will take max 15 to 20 minutes. This recipe, great recipe, vegan recipe. I hope you have liked this recipe. If you have liked this recipe, do try it and let me know how it turned out. And now it's time for the comment of the day. So today's comment is from Shubhashri Naik. She writes, I am very glad to know about you, ma'am. I tried your most of the recipes. They came out all wonderful. More power to you that you are managing everything very well. Best of luck, ma'am. Love from USA. Thank you so much, Shubhashri. Thank you so much for such inspiring, beautiful words. These words really push me to post beautiful recipes for all of you. Thank you so much. And as I have said, today's recipe is quite simple, can be made within 15 to 20 minutes. Very less ingredients required. The taste is just awesome. You just can't miss the taste of the sweet and sour pumpkin potato curry. So give it a try and let me know how it turned out. You can also follow Su's Food Corner on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked today's video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.